Charmouth is located in the middle of the UNESCO World Heritage Jurassic Coast, a historic coastline known for its spectacular cliffs, fossils, and stunning landscape. The beach in Charmouth is famous for its richness of fossilized remains, and as a result it draws a large number of passionate fossil hunters each year. The cliffs here are easily eroded by the sea, washing away the soft rock and exposing buried relics of species that formerly swam in what was once a tropical seabed millions of years ago. As you go down the shore, you can practically pick up fossils. The Heritage Center, which is located on the seafront, hosts frequent walks, presentations, and fossil hunting trips throughout the year, and is extremely popular with both young families and experienced geologists. Visitors may examine the remarkable fossil collections, including the stunning ichthyosaur that appeared in the BBC documentary Attenborough and the Sea Dragon, and learn about the past and present of this unique coastline with free admission to the site. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. For first-time fossil hunters, taking one of the organized walks is a terrific way to discover all the best techniques and methods for safely discovering your own fossils on the beach. Charmouth Beach is very family-friendly, and at a low tide, children can forage amongst the many rock pools and paddle in the shallows on West Beach. Aside from beaches and fossils, the community is surrounded by the rolling hills, pastoral fields, sunken alleys, and ancient hedgerows of the Golden Cape Estate, all of which are located within the Dorset area of outstanding natural beauty. Its lovely location on the coast makes it a walking paradise, with some fantastic coastal and inland pathways. Nearby Stonebarrow Hill is a lovely picnic place, and the River Char path leads to the historic town of Whitchurch Canonicorum on a lovely stroll. Charmouth has a diverse choice of dining options, including traditional pubs and restaurants, beachside cafes, and delicious fish and chips. The town is a beautiful blend of Regency houses and thatched cottages that neatly line the steep alleys. Charmouth can boast a wealthy range of famous visitors, including Catherine of Aragon, who stayed at the village's oldest residence, the Queen's Arms, in 1501, when it was still privately owned, and also Charles II, who also stayed in a building in 1651 when he was looking to flee to the continent.